Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to make this easy mango sorbet without using an ice cream machine. It's the perfect summer dessert, light and refreshing, and it's made with just two ingredients, mangoes and coconut milk. To start off with, you'll need 500 grams of mangoes, fresh or frozen. If you're using frozen, there's no need to thaw it first. So we'll go ahead and place that in a blender. For the coconut milk, make sure to give the can a bit of a shake before using it, as the cream can separate from the milk over time. So to the blender, we're going to add 1 cup of the coconut milk. Place the lid on the blender and just start blending. Because I'm using frozen mangoes, I'm going to give it a couple of pulses on the ice setting before letting it run. If it's starting to get stuck, just give it a couple of stirs with a spatula and just continue to blend. Once the mango and coconut milk are blended together nice and smooth, place that into a container. For the best results, place the mango sorbet in the freezer overnight. Here we have our beautiful frozen mango sorbet. I love mango, so this is the perfect summer dessert for me. It's light, creamy, but also very refreshing. I would love to know what your favourite desserts are to make or to eat. Let me know in the comments below. And if you would like to see more easy recipes just like this one, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!